What is up, people? This one Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today is a very special day because I have been invited to a store launch event. Yes, this is the first time me being invited to a store launch event, and it is a Powerlook store launch event. Powerlook is launching a flagship store here in Pune, in Phoenix Market City. So I'm heading there. So this is going to be a super exciting vlog. I'm going to meet new people. I hope so, and we're gonna have some fun. So yes, without wasting any of the time, let's head to the event. And here is the full outfit for you guys. Just a quick outfit check. My Nike Vomero 5s, Supersonic, my parachute pants, you guys already know, a black crop t-shirt, regular t-shirt, and here is my jacket. So yes, I hope you guys like this look. I'll see you in. So as you guys just saw, Danny Pandit just inaugurated the store, and the store is now fully open for us and we can go and shop. So I'm going to go in, check out some stuff, and maybe I'll get something for myself as well. So let's go inside. So I've got few things for myself, like I've not bought it yet, but yeah, I've decided on this t-shirt. I really liked it, and then I thought of this shirt. It looks very cool, like I really liked it. And then I saw this pant here, and I'm really into this kind of corduroy stuff lately, so I'm like leaning towards this. And this one looks pretty cool, like I personally really liked it. So let's try them out and let's see. Finally I decided to buy this t-shirt here, and then I decided to buy this trouser here. This is a very cool piece, so yes, we'll build them. So I just finished the shopping, and they were very kind enough to gift me the clothes I picked and a set of goodies. I don't know what's inside there. Thank you so much, Powerlook, for that. And now we are heading for a lunch hosted by Powerlook. So yes, I'm really excited for that. So we just completed the lunch. We got the bag set, and now I'm ready to leave. So yes, thank you so much, Powerlook, for that. And yes guys, if you guys like the content, do like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff, and see you guys very soon. Thank you. Bye.